Minor dents and scratches, while often superficial, can affect a vehicle's appearance and resale value. Fortunately, cost-effective solutions exist for repairing them, either through DIY methods or professional services. Understanding minor dents. Dents commonly result from minor accidents, parking lot impacts, or hail damage. They fall into two main types: shallow dents, small indentations without paint damage, often caused by bumps. Creased dents, more pronounced dents with visible creases, requiring extra effort to fix. DIY dent repair methods. Plunger method uses suction to pull out round, shallow dents. Hair dryer and compressed air. Heat expands the metal, and rapid cooling contracts it, popping out the dent. Dry ice method. Extreme temperature changes help restore the metal shape. Professional dent repair solutions. Paintless Dent Repair, PDRA, cost-effective and eco-friendly technique for reshaping metal without repainting. Ideal for minor dents with intact paint. Traditional dent repair requires body filler, sanding, and repainting for deeper dents or damaged paint. Cost-saving tips. Get multiple repair estimates. Consider Mobily Dent Repair Services. Use DIY dent repair kits. Check warranty or insurance coverage. Addressing dents quickly prevents rust and preserves vehicle value. Whether for DIY methods or professional repair, maintaining a car's exterior enhances longevity and resale potential. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227544374. That's 83227544374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.